Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit set using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Next go to Curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to the Color panel. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red. And done. Next go to Effect panel. Next go to Detail panel. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.